Welcome to the Crafty Blast, tiny tools, big fixes, where small gadgets become everyday heroes. If you've ever struggled with a loose screw, a stuck drawer, or a picture that just won't hang straight, this guide is for you. Let's build your mini home tool arsenal that saves you time, money, and sanity. Screwdriver set, the everyday problem solver. A reliable set with flathead and Phillips screwdrivers handles everything from tightening furniture to replacing batteries in kids' toys. Compact, cheap, always useful. Measuring tape, no more guessing. Buying shelves, hanging frames, a measuring tape protects you from size-related regrets. Keep one in the kitchen drawer for quick checks. Hammer, small but strong. A lightweight hammer tackles simple fixes like hanging decor or tapping stubborn parts into place. Not too big, not too tiny. Goldilocks approved. Utility knife, slice through challenges. Opening packages, trimming wallpaper, cutting rope. A retractable blade becomes a superhero in disguise. Just handle with care. Pliers, the grip genius, great for bending wires, pulling out nails, or tightening the untightenable. Needle nose pliers especially shine in tight corners. Level, keep it straight. Say farewell to crooked wall art. A small bubble level ensures every shelf, mirror, and frame hangs perfectly every time. Adjustable wrench, the bolt boss. One tool, many sizes. Perfect for plumbing tweaks, bike fixes, and assembling furniture without swearing. Flashlight, bright ideas only. Dark closets, late-night power outages, mystery sounds behind the couch. A compact flashlight keeps you prepared for the unknown. Quick storage tip. Keep these tools together in a small toolbox or drawer organizer, so you always know where your home-saving champions are hiding. Small tools create big comfort. Build your tiny toolkit today and enjoy the confidence of solving little problems before they become big headaches. Want more DIY tips? Stick around for more smart home hacks.